Did you know you can still make money with Telegrams? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share a method that even beginners or students, whether in elementary or middle schools, can easily understand and learn how to use Telegram to make money passively and without risk. If you are interested in making money with Telegrams, make sure to watch this video in its entirety and subscribe to my channel. So how can we make money on Telegram without any risk? I will break it down into 4 aspects. First, we need to know what items to prepare to make risk-free monies on Telegram. Second, how do we make money and what kind are we earning? Third, is it safe? Are there any risks? And fourth, how is the money we earn calculated? Besides sharing my theories and logics in this video, I will also walk you through the practical steps of using Telegram to make money without risk. So let's start with the first part. The items you need to prepare. First, you will need a Telegram account. Second, you need a phone number because without a phone number, you won't be able to register a Telegram account. Third, I strongly recommend you buying your Telegram account to Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. Since this involves making money, managing funds, and securing your capital, it is crucial to ensure the security of your Telegram account. Buying your Telegram account with Google Authenticator will significantly enhance your account security. Fourth, you will need to set up Telegram's official wallet. Suppose you are unsure how to use Telegram's official wallet. In that case, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and check out my previous detailed beginner's guide on using the Telegram wallet, which I won't cover again in this video. If you need help, feel free to watch that video. Now that we know what to prepare, let's see how we can make money on Telegram. What kind of money are we making on Telegram? It is actually quite simple. This method involves an official campaign by Telegram to encourage users to utilize its official wallet. So it is an activity launched and subsidized by Telegram itself. Then what kind of money are we earning? We are earning investment income. How do we earn it? By depositing our digital currency, cryptocurrencies, or virtual currencies like USDT into the Telegram wallet, we can earn Telegram's official tokens called TON. Why is this risk-free? Because USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollars, it doesn't have the price volatility risk that other cryptocurrencies may have. So essentially, this is risk-free investment income, a way to make money without risk. Next, let's discuss whether the method I teach in this video using Telegram to make passive, risk-free income is free. Are there any risks? Let's look at it from 3 angles. First, Telegram is launching a new user acquisition campaign. Even though it is an official campaign, the returns are outrageously high. Unlike those Ponzi schemes that promise huge profits, the return rate is within the normal market range, and our reward is in TON tokens. To cash out these TON tokens, you need to sell them on the secondary market, where the buying and selling pressures is independent of Telegram. Considering these 3 aspects, I believe the methods I'm sharing in this video for passive risk-free income is safe and without risks, so there's no need to worry. Next, let's dive into Telegram and look at how to make risk-free money on the platforms. You can see my phone interface on the right side of your screen. We are now entering the mobile version of Telegram. If you tap the setting icons in the lower right corner, you will see an option for wallets. By clicking on wallets, you will be taken to the official wallet page. On this page, there is a prominent banner where you can see that the USDT can earn up to 50% annualized returns as part of the wallet rewards. In this video, I'm showing you how to make risk-free money using Telegram by simply clicking here. As long as we deposit our USDT into this wallet, it functions like a savings account, allowing us to earn rewards from this official campaigns. As you can see, I've already deposited 10 USDT, and the maximum you can deposit is 10,000 USDT. The official campaign's deadline has been extended to October 20th. With this, you can earn a risk-free 5% interest on your savings. As you can see, I deposited 10 USDT on June 23rd during my initial test, and so far, I've earned $0.31 US in TON tokens. Next, I will demonstrate how to withdraw USDT from Bitget to the TON blockchain and deposit it into this Telegram wallet, allowing you to earn passive income on Telegram without any risk. First, let's go back to the wallet. Now we are back on the wallet interface. At this point, we need to add USDT to our Telegram official wallet. Click Add Cryptocurrency, and you will see that you can add USDT to your wallet using a bank card, P2P, or deposit method. We will click on External Wallet and select the first one, Deposit Tether USDT, and click Continue. Now we need to choose the network. The Telegram wallet supports TRC and TON network, so we will select the TON network and click Continue. So for here, you will then receive the deposit address and QR code to deposit USDT into this network. You can click Copy address to copy the deposit address. Next, I will demonstrate using the Bitget exchange. With Bitget, there is 0 withdrawal fees when transferring tokens on the TON network. If you don't have a Bitget account yet, you can register using the QR code on the screen or the link in the video description to get a 20% discount on fees. Now let's go to the Bitget exchange. In my Bitget account, I have 15 USDT. USDT, I will deposit this 15 into my Telegram wallet to participate in this risk-free earning activity. First, click Assets at the bottom right. Then proceed to the wallet page. You can now see that I can directly withdraw my USDT. Click on Withdraw. Since we are depositing USDT, we will also withdraw USDT. Next, choose On-Chain Withdrawal. In the address field, don't press to paste the deposit address, which is the USDT deposit address from the Tone network. Then choose the network. Select the Tone network here. Please make sure the network you selected matches the withdrawal platform. Next, you will be prompted to enter an address tag, which is a memo here. So here is the tips. When withdrawal tokens from a centralized exchange to a Tone wallet, you don't need to fill in the memo. However, if you are depositing Tone tokens from your wallet to a centralized exchange, you must include the memo. Since the memo isn't required for this withdrawal, we can skip it. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. The official campaign allows a maximum deposit of $10,000 per account. And since I've already deposited 10 USDT, I will withdraw 15 USDT here. Remember that there is zero network fees for Tone networks on the Bitget exchange, so the actual amount deposited will be 15.9. I will just select all, click withdraw, and you will get a warning that memo is not filled, reminding you that if it were needed, missing it could result in loss. But as I mentioned, when withdrawing to a wallet, memo isn't required, so just click withdraw, and you will then need to confirm the order, double check the withdrawal amount, transfer network, and address. If everything correct, click confirm, enter the required verification code, and your withdrawal will be processed. Once the codes are entered, you will see that the withdrawal is processing. At this point, you can return to your Telegram wallet and wait. Now you can see that my Telegram account has successfully received the 15 USDT. With the USDT deposited, I can now earn passive risk-free income using Telegram. To do this, click on the promotion banner, then click top up. You will see that my wallet balance is around 17 USDT. So for here, I will just click use max USDT balance and click continue. So the deposit is now complete, and click open wallet and you will see that after successfully deposited around 27 USDT into the official wallet promotion, my dynamic APY will now earn a risk-free variable annual returns of 5%. The rewards Telegram's offers are issued in Tone tokens. So why am I recommending this Telegram activity to you? It is because the current annualized returns from this Telegram campaign is relatively high, allowing us to earn a risk-free 5% passive income. To compare, if we were to deposit USDT in a savings account on Binance, you'd only earn 1.69% in passive income. Similarly, on OKX, the current savings rate for USDT is just 3.81%. So compared to this leading centralized exchange, if you have less than 10,000 USDT, depositing it into Telegram for this activity is safer and offer a higher return. The best part is that it is a flexible, on-demand savings plan, meaning you can deposit and withdraw anytime. If you want to withdraw your funds, simply scroll to the bottom of the page, click close wallet and withdraw it, and you are done. It is very straightforward. Now let's look at how the returns from this risk-free passive income on Telegram are calculated and how much money you can earn. As you can see, I've created an Excel spreadsheet to calculate the earnings from this Telegram activity. Let's start it from the beginning. The campaign originally started on May 1st with the end date set for August 31st. The plan was to run for 123 days, but Telegram has extended the campaign until October 20th. This video is being made on September 1st, so we have 49 days left, roughly 2 months. Here is a simple breakdown. The initial plan allowed each account to deposit up to $10,000, divided into 2 phases, 3,000 USDT in the first phase and 7,000 USDT in the second. The 3,000 phase has 4 stages. In the first 2 weeks, you could earn 50% annualized returns. From weeks 2 to 4, the return drops to 25%. From weeks 4 to 6, it is 15%. And from week 6 until the end, it is a fixed 5% annual returns. I have calculated the daily earning rates for each annualized returns and the daily and total earning for each phase. If you are interested, you can look closely at the details. In summary, if you had invested 10,000 from May 1st until the original end date of August 31st, over the course of 123 days, you will have earned a total of $254. This results in an annualized returns of about 2.54%, which is not very high, just under 3%. However, a 2.5% risk-free passive income is still within the normal market range. If the returns was much higher, I wouldn't trust it, as it could be a Ponzi scheme, and there is always the risk of plan fund disappearing. And some may point out that August 31st has already passed. As you can see from the screen, Telegram has extended the campaign until October 20th, so from September 1st to October 20th, there are still 49 days left, with the maximum account limit remaining at 10,000. Calculating this over 49 days, the annualized return is 5% and about 0.015
1.4% daily. And if you have 10,000 USDT, you will earn about 1.4 USDT daily, adding to around 69 USDT in risk-free passive income over the 49 days. That's all for this video on how to earn risk-free passive income using Telegram public accounts. Whether or not you have a Bitget account, I strongly recommend using the link in the video description to register and use a cryptocurrency exchange, as it will give you access to the lowest fees in the global crypto markets. Don't underestimate transaction fees. Registering with the link can save you a lot of money over the time, effectively increasing your profits, which is very important for us.
Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you everyone and bye.